let's understand the meaning and purpose of swing trading. A swing trader holds on to his position from overnight to a few weeks to make a profit from the stock's short-term momentum. To find stocks for swing trading, pay more attention to technical analysis than fundamental analysis. A fundamental analysis takes into account a stock's long-term prospects, the financial and managerial strengths of the company behind the stock, etc. A swing trader should not be too concerned about these factors. To find stocks for swing trading, ऐसे stocks ढूंढिए जिनका 50-day moving average 200-day moving average से ऊपर जा रहा है. If you notice this pattern, it's possible that this stock will show a short-term increase in value. Reasonable profits कमाने के लिए entry time और exit time का perfect होना जरूरी नहीं है. Minute gains can and do compound over time. A swing trader needs to keep his eye on the stock price movement. Even small and temporary swings are opportunities for a profitable exit.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.